welcome to another Leetcode video. In this one we have a maximum number of integers to choose from a range, right? And this question, actually, when I was solving this, I just solved this right now, this question was actually weird because at first I thought, is it really this straightforward, or is there something like fishy? But it ended out being actually straightforward. So this is the question. It says you're given an integer array band, right? These are band numbers, we don't want these. And two integers, n and max sum, right? You're choosing some number of integers following the below rules. So you're going to choose a bunch of integers, and there's some rules we have to follow, right? The chosen integers have to be in range 1 to n, right? So from 1 to n, inclusive. Each integer can be chosen at most once, so I can't pick a number like 1 several times. The chosen integers should not be in an array band, so we should not look for integers in this array. The sum of chosen integers should not exceed max sum, which means their summation, the numbers you chose, they should not exceed this. So maximum number they could reach is 6, right, in our case. Return the maximum number of integers you can choose, follow the mentioned rules. So we need to maximize the amount of numbers we can actually pick, right? And the first thing that got to my head was, right, since they're from 1 to n, the maximum number of integers, right, we need to maximize it. So wouldn't it be beneficial to take the smaller numbers, since they're a lot, then like taking one big number, you could take like several small number, right? So that was the goal when I was solving this problem, right? So the way I did it here was, first things first, I wanted to convert this band into a set so I can do a constant time lookup. So what I did was convert band to a set. That was first, because when I loop, I'm gonna check. When I loop, I'm gonna check if it exists in band or not, right? And then you have two variables, right? Current sum, which is the summation of the current sum we've reached, and the number count, which is the numbers, the response in general, the result of the, why did I say response? The result of the the problem, right? And then I start looping in the inclusive factor it decides, which is 1 to n plus 1, right? If I find out that this is in band, the current number we're at is in band, I'm continuing, I'm skipping. So that's why we did this, right? Otherwise, I'm just going to add it to current sum, right? And I'm going to check, did it exceed max sum? Did it exceed? If it did, then just return the previous number count. So this is the number count from the previous iteration, right? Just return it as it is. I can't go forward, because if you think about it, it's not even possible, because you can't actually, there's nothing you can do. If you're going to decrease from the left side, for example, it's useless, because you need these numbers, right? And then otherwise, if it didn't reach it yet, I'm just going to increment number count and then let it take another step in the iteration, and then return number count. So yeah, that was an easy one for this. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye.